How to get your Twitter QR code. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Twitter application on your device over here, and as you launch it, do make sure that you have logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top left corner of the screen and simply select on your profile. As you tap on your profile, what you can do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can see the option of share drafts and lists you are on. So let's tap on share, and as a tap on share, it will give us different platforms to share the profile. So we do not have the copy link option, so we're going to send it via some other apps over here. So let's try and do that via Telegram for now. So let's send it to somebody else for the link to be copied over here. I'm going to select a random one, and as I send it, here is your link. Now all you need to do is just copy this link. So let's copy the link, go back to your browser. So let's launch the Chrome browser on our device over here, and as we launch the Chrome browser, simply tap on the search bar and search for the option of QR generator. So as you launch the QR generator, what you can simply do is you can just search for QR code generator, and all you got to do is just put on the link and you'll be able to create your own link QR code over here. So you just have to put the URL over here. So let's put the link that we had copied, pasted, tap on your own name, and then tap on preview, and then tap on create, and there you go. You can select the size as well, and that's how you can create or get a Twitter QR code. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.